This outfit is perfect for the party except for one finishing touch. Put your pretty hair clips on display using this one simple hack. First, find an old necklace, a lanyard, an old belt chain, or even a tassel to be the hanger. I found a chunky necklace that never looked good on me but would work perfectly for this hack. Make sure your item is fastened securely and then just start hanging on the items. Put your hanger on the wall and you are done. It looks so cute and it makes getting your hair clips so much more fun and convenient. Once upon a time, I found this long string of beads. Instead of chopping it up to make pieces of jewelry, I used it for this hack instead. If you want to do this hack, you can find large strings of beads like this in any kind of craft store. This unusual window decoration looks so elegant hanging in front of the curtains, and it is surprisingly easy to do. Start by hanging the bead loop over one end of your curtain pole. Then cross the loop over the middle of the pole so that one half of the loop is over either side of the window. And finally, take the opposite end of the loop and hang it over the opposite end of the curtain pole. Feel free to adjust the beads to get it exactly how you want it to look. I also hung a beautiful red bow in the corner to round out the look. I also wanted my smaller window to match my bigger window. So I found an old matching necklace that I never wore and I cut the string. Then I crisscrossed the string between two beads and I pinched the beads together to make secure little loops on either side. Then just hang one loop on either end of your curtain pole and you're done. Most of us women have a few favorite pieces of jewelry that we wear constantly. This hack makes reaching for them easy and it looks so cute. Find a nice wine glass or any other decorative cup for the jewelry. Since this doubles as a lovely makeshift room decor piece, put the glass in a prominent place. If you chose a glass or a crystal cup, be gentle when adding in your jewelry. This windowsill sure does look ratty. It could use a little update. To hide a less than perfect windowsill surface, paper it. First, measure out the space you want covered. Using these measurements, cut and fold your choice of paper. I had to tape paper together to fit my windowsill. Finally, just slide your paper over the surface and that's it. Only use this hack on decorative surfaces. The beauty of papering is it is less messy than paint and it can be changed up easily to fit your taste. I really need a new place to store my new hair decks. Nuh-uh. Nope. Definitely not. A small cloth or handkerchief easily transforms into a cozy makeshift storage bag. First, flip the bottom facing up so it becomes the inside of the storage bag. Grab a pair of corners diagonal from each other and then tie them together. Tie the bag tight enough so it doesn't come undone. Then repeat the process with the other pair of corners. Lastly, just hang it on a knob or a hook and you're done. This hack is especially useful if your living space is small because it adds extra storage without using much space at all. Marbles aren't just for games anymore. They are some of the most pretty and versatile fillers I have found. I also enjoy working with the glass gems that normally go in fish tanks. I've used them all around my room in so many neat ways, and they are an essential item in one of my favorite room decor pieces. All you need is a pretty lidded container or cup and start popping in marbles. Then just add the lid and that is literally it, guys. Simple, right? If you don't own enough marbles or you just aren't a fan of marbles, try an alternative like glitter, baby seashells, or colorful rocks. Pretty things are versatile, so you could use pretty much anything you want on this project. Get creative while finding your filler. Have you seen those neat and expensive cubby walls for organizing? I know I have, and I think they are so neat and creative. I created my own using, that's right, an old bookcase and fabric storage bin cubes. Feel free to experiment with different boxes, containers, whatever it is that you want to add. Unlike a built-in wall, you can move this shelf anywhere, anytime. Plus, you have the top of the shelf to act as a table or nightstand. Maybe I'll read a little before bed. An unexpected way to liven up your bedroom is to paper your bookshelf. I selected this water pattern because my room's theme is the ocean. To get started, stick double-sided or roll bits of tape on the side you intend to be the top. You could just stick tape in the top corners, or you could use more tape on the other corners and along the edges for a firmer hold. When you start taping on the paper, you may notice a small sliver of space without any paper. You could use an entire sheet, or you could cut a strip to cover it. It's up to you. I found that decorating this normally neglected area adds a subtle pop of texture and color. It's also a neat surprise for the friend or family member who happens to notice.